Welcome back to KITT Raceway, everybody. We're going to do an unboxing today. I have a worldwide version J case that I'm going to open. Always fun to get another case because then I get to do another race. Okay, like I said, this is a J case worldwide version that I just picked up. All right, let's open it up. I believe the super treasure hunt is the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, which I would love to have. And the regular is the power pistons. And I believe the ID car is the bone shaker. All right, let's do this. I am excited. Let's see what we get. All right. Okay. Now if I just scan at it a little bit, I see another XJ220. There is a Sesto Elemento, the regular version. All right, let's see what we get here. All right, now there's the Honda S2000 that I had in the last case. It's a cool car, wasn't overly fast, but it's neat. Here's the 91 Gmc Syclone, which is one of my favorite cars. I mean, it's just a beautiful car. The Robo Racer Robo car, neat car. All right. Oh, this is what I wanted right here. This Porsche 911 Gt3 R5. I mean, that is just so cool. Look at the paint and the decos on it. I just love it, that flat black. Yeah, that is awesome. And here is the Jeep Gladiator. That's cool. It's good look. And the 68 Chevy Nova. I like that. All right, next three. There's another Jeep Gladiator. Ooh, the 98 Honda Prelude. I like that. I like the color. That silver color. 5-spoke wheels like that. That's pretty cool. And here's another McLaren P1. I like that paint scheme on this one too. All right, next three. There it is. Oh, look at this. The treasure hunt, the power pistons. That is pretty neat. Flame. There's the little flame image back there. All right, good. There it is, the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. This is the regular version, but what a beautiful car. Yeah. And, ooh, the Humvee. I like that. That is gorgeous. I wonder if he's fast. And we'll find out. We'll find out. Next up, oh yeah, I can always take another XJ220. We have the crock rod, the XJ220, and the pixel shaker. Always worth another look. Yeah, that is a gorgeous car. From what my experience has been, they're not as fast as the orange ones, but we'll see if that stands up. All right, next three. We have the Cloak and Dagger. Kind of a interesting casting for sure. This is a pretty car. The 68 Shelby Gt500. Yeah, that's a beautiful car. Oh, nice. And the Mclaren P1. Again. Oh, there he is. The 57 Plymouth Fury. I've been watching other guys look at these and show these off, and I finally got one. You know, he feels heavy, but his wheelbase is so narrow. I don't know. I don't think I'll open it. I think that's just pretty to look at and collect. All right. I haven't seen this one either. The 2018 Honda Civic Type R. That's cool. That is a busy, busy color, but cool. And then we have another crock rod. All right, let's get these. Here's the Sky Dome from the last case. We have a Velocita, and we have a 90 Acura NSX. All right. Oh, we have the High Beam, which we had in the last case. We have the Twin Mill Gen E car, and the Batplane. Never quite understood this as far as a Hot Wheels car. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but Anyway, next three. The Rockin' Santa Sled. All right. Oh, look at that. Jaguar XE SV Project 8. And the, man, look at the colors on that sucker. I don't know if you guys can see that. But wow, that is beautiful. I like it. I like it a lot. And then we have a Lamborghini, another Lamborghini. All right. Oh, I like this one too. The Bmw Z4 M Motorsport. That, I just have a feeling this is going to be quick. I'm looking forward to racing it. We'll see. We'll find out. We have the 2018 Ford Mustang Gt. I have a Super that looks just like this. And then we have a Beat All. He is a heavy booger. I just doubt he's fast, but he's heavy. We'll see if he can do anything. All right, the final three of this first side is the Skydome again, the 84 Audi Sport Quattro, which is relatively quick, and we have the Skate Grome, or however you say that. It's a Tokyo 2020 car, and we'll race him, see if he's any good. Let's get out this divider. Three out of here is another high beam. Oh, that beautiful Corvette ZR1 convertible. What a gorgeous car. And that custom auto. I haven't seen this one either. That is a beautiful car. I like that. Of the Muscle Mania series. Looking forward to racing this for sure. All right, that's what we have here. Oh, good. The HW Formula Solars. Not a big fan, but I do like the Party Wagon. Pretty cool. We have the Honda Prelude again. We have the Volvo 850 Estate, and we have the Chevy Silverado. That's cool. Next three. Man, what are the colors in that? That Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. What a name. What a name. But I do like the color combination. Blue on blue. That's pretty. We have another Rockin' Santa Sled and another Bat Plane. Another beautiful Corvette ZR1. That's a pretty car. These Datsun Bluebirds. Finally got another one and another Party Wagon. All right, next three. Ooh, the Total Disposal. The Erskine Rod and the Dodge Dart. Nice. Next. There he is. That's what I wanted. I really wanted this bone shaker. Of course, I wouldn't mind having the ID version, but this is pretty sweet. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. And we have the Volvo again and another BMW motorbike. I think I have one of those open somewhere around here. Okay. Have another Porsche Panamera. Ooh, yes. You know I'm a Mopar fan. So we have another Dodge Power Wagon. Oh, good. We got another Bluebird. Momo. All right. Next three. We have another Chevy Nova. Total Disposal, and a new color on the Magnituner. Now here is the champ from the H case, sitting right back there, the old nerve hammer. Erskine Rod, and we have the Nova Wagon Gasser, which is another car I wanted to get my hands on. That is cool. I really like that. Another Muscle Mania 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. They did good. They did real good on this one. All right. All right. 6 left. We got the skater guy again, which we'll race, the Cloak and Dagger, and the custom Acura Integra GSR. That's a pretty cool car. I like those colors. We'll see, maybe we'll race him too. All right, final three. Oh, I'm never gonna complain about having another XJ220, Dodge Dart, and a Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. Okay, let's go over my favorite cars of the case. Pretty excited about some of these. This BMW, I've been looking forward to racing it. The Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. That is a cool car. Really wish I could have got a piece of the old Super on that one, but that's all right. This Jaguar color is just incredible. It's almost like a Super with this Spectra Flame paint. Pretty awesome. All right. Really excited about this Plymouth Fury and this custom auto. That is beautiful. Bone Shaker. Pretty excited about this Acura Integra and this Nova Wagon Gasser. And finally, never complain about another XJ. Got a couple of those in this case. And this Porsche 911 Gt3 R5. I've been waiting for this one. I don't know. I feel like he's going to be quick. Always kind of cool to get a treasure hunt. You can see the flame logo right there. The power pistons. I think I'm going to go ahead and open it up and put it in the next J-Case race. I want to thank you guys for watching and be ready for the next J-Case race coming up. Take care.